do like the steering wheel.
Isn't that nice?
I told you it wasn't going to take me very long to get used to it. This reminds me more of driving a truck.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doug on Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We are going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.7.4.3 full self-driving software stack. Do you actually know the version?
Stop.
11.4.7.3?
I'm not sure. Still 11. That's all I know.
If you're liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
Don't forget those power lines.
Up high enough in the air to avoid those.
Full self-driving may be
Degraded.
Yes.
It is foggy. Checking version number for our viewers at home. 11.4.7.3. 11.4.7.3.
See, this is the only reason I don't want you to show the close-up of the steering wheel when I'm like, what does that say? Because people will be like, that's not safe.
What you can do about that?
No, Now, do the batteries on the drone last as long in the cold?
Kind of with heat. It's a catch-22. They like to be at room temp. But
doesn't everyone? I remember the first time it showed arrows on the lanes.
Yeah, the wider path prediction thing.
No, when it actually showed the arrows that are painted on the road.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Just turn lanes and things like yep.
Because it went from just showing like there's a lane there to then showing this lane is only for
right
this.
or left. Yeah.
Oh, are we gonna get skipped?
We got skipped.
Oh, there we go.
There's wee.
I'm giving you a little gas so we can go, so we don't miss it. I thought we were gonna get skipped there for a second.
It's not the gas pedal; it's the electron pedal, but that's okay.
Are you really gonna critique me on that?
No. But I find it funny that you usually nail what it's actually called.
I always call it the gas pedal.
The accelerator pedal?
Life with you is so grand.
Apparently you don't like that song, so I'll change that.
It wasn't that. I was actually making fun of you. I like the song. Reminds me of being an old-timey like Western. Not that I care, but we're hitting every red light today.
Yep.
That rarely happens for us.
All right, there we go.
Keeping up okay?
Yep. Doing 35.
You want me to slow down?
No. I've throttle lift.
Okay.
Did it slam on the brakes for that vehicle there?
It did.
Nice. I don't know why.
I think it thought. I don't know what you're doing.
Slow down for what?
See if it catches the diving for the lane.
That's right, I gotta be on this side of there to catch that.
And yep.
There it goes. Oh, Lord.
I actually think if I hadn't engaged it, we're gonna get away. That it may have fixed itself. I'll have to let it try next time. Alright, it did this last time where it dropped down because it thought it was 35 through here, but it's not doing it this time.
So I went back and actually, I have to reanalyze that footage. But I can't remember if it was because we disengaged or what happened.
Yeah.
But there we go.
It means it's gonna be slick when I go to work in the morning.
Indeed.
Boo. It's not a problem for me. It's the other crazy drivers.
Cold, cold day.
Supposed to warm back up though into the 40s next week. Hey, this will really look like December in the videos.
It is December.
I know, but it wasn't looking like December for a while, even though it was.
Oh, it was looking like December for a long time.
Yeah.
But it is nice.
This is more Decemberous.
This is true.
This is what I know December to be. Kennewick School District. Boo. Sucker. Just kidding. Alright, so it's getting back over. It does do this a couple of times where it decides that that is the correct turn. And it doesn't make the correct turn. I gotta wait until after we make the turn to change the navigation.
Oh, you could change it now.
No, because it'll try to go up. Just trust me.
Oh, okay.
It'll try to go through the roundabout. Ooh. There is construction.
What the hell?
That's why I told you it does that a couple times. It thinks that's the turn. And it tries to do it again, usually here.
I assume the wheel is a lot more comfortable though.
Yeah, do you not feel like it's not super
Yeah,
tricky?
no, it's not. Because,
Yeah.
like, I'm not as shaky on the sticks.
Yeah. Alright, let's see how you do with all these goals. And let's edit trip. Oops. Oh shit. I hate this. There we go. And then done. Oh. Done. I gotta got it okay. Yes, okay. I gotta fix it when we land. It doesn't scroll for me very well.
Welcome to my hell. I said the same criticism.
Which luckily the FSD is safe enough that I can take my eyes off the road for half a second to do that, but...
Oh, but then the cabin camera will yell at you for doing so.
Yeah. And you're like, I'm trying to fix your shitty mistake.
You listen here, you jerk. Could have used stronger language for that, but
I got words for you.
I have so many feelings. So many feelings. Well, you guys, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it. Once again, I'm Gray Shot Down, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi.
Yeah, there's a bus here.